Hi guys, Ashish side. In this video, I'll show you how you can return multiple values when your VLOOKUP is not working. Since VLOOKUP will give you the lookup value in the top, let's see how we can solve that. Kindly note I am using Office 365 version. If you have a Excel 2016 or higher version, then you can use this function text join. Let's see how we can use that. Let's open up the Excel file. So this is our data. We want to know the how many vendor we have and how many invoices we have raised to them. To solve this problem, we will be using unique function is equal to unique. Then I need to give the array and close the bracket, hit enter. So we have 4 vendor only. Kindly note this is an array. If you want to delete even one entry, you will not be able to do that. Let's do that. I'll click delete and it will automatically come back. Now see the text join function. I'll type is equal to, then type the text join function. For delimiter you can use comma, underscore. We'll be using comma for this time. Then again comma. If you want to include empty cell, then type the false. If you want to ignore the empty cell, then use true. I'll type true. Then comma. Then we need to give the if condition. If logical test this vendor code is equal to range. Here my vendor code is there. We need to freeze it. If true, then we want to combine the invoices. Then we need to close it. Then we need to freeze the same. Comma. If false, we don't want to do anything. I'll close the bracket. Now you need to hit Control Shift Enter and we have all the invoices. Let's drag this. I'll simply add one column below it to that. Give the invoice number 20. Now one thing is either we can increase the range, hit enter. We need to drag it. We have invoice 20 is there. This was easier than you have only one invoice. Imagine you have 20 to 50 invoices on a monthly basis. Then what you will do? I'll suggest to use the table. Since tables are a dynamic in nature, so it will automatically fetch it. Let's see how we can do that in table. I'll bring out the unique values. I'll type is equal to text join delimiter. Let's use underscore this time. True. Ignore empty cells. If condition bracket logical test this is equal to this. For table we don't need to freeze it. If true, then we need to combine the invoices. We need to give the table to invoices, comma. If false, we don't want to do anything. Close double bracket, hit Control Shift Enter, and we have our invoices. Let's drag it. Now for the same scenario that we did it in earlier sheet, invoice 17, and you will notice it will automatically fetch it. That's how you can use text join function and return multiple values when your VLOOKUP is not working.